Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm show you Windows 11 build 25,126 changes and improvements. First, Microsoft introduced in October, subscription management in settings accounts, which enabled you to view your Microsoft 365 subscriptions in Windows 11. With this build, making it easier for you to view all supported Office Perpetual products such as Office 2021 or Office 2019 associated with your account within settings accounts. This update will allow you to view all supported Microsoft 365 Office products licensed to your account, and you can view details about your product or install Office by clicking the View Details button. This information is shown on the Microsoft account management page, and you will now be able to view these details in Windows 11. And we have few fixes in this build. First, Microsoft fixed the issue causing some insiders to experience a bug check with error driver IRQL not less or equal in PCI.sys, causing a rollback trying to install the latest builds in the dev channel. Also, Microsoft did work to mitigate the issue causing the Program Compatibility Assistant service to use an unexpectedly large amount of CPU for some insiders after upgrading to the latest insider preview builds in the dev channel. In the Start menu, if the touch keyboard is docked, it should no longer unexpectedly dismiss when trying to edit the name of a folder in Start. In the Search, Microsoft fixed a high-hitting Explorer.exe crash that could happen when using Search. In Settings, the preview image under Personalization lock screen should no longer be backwards when using an Arabic or Hebrew display language. In the Task Manager, if Explorer.exe has hung, that should no longer hang Task Manager. Microsoft fixed an issue where the context menus weren't following the same mode, light or dark, as Task Manager itself for some insiders. Microsoft fixed a type in the Minimize on Use tooltip. If you've hidden the graphs on the side of the performance page, the color of the circles used instead should now match the graph in the summary view. Addressed an issue where the not responding status for certain apps wasn't being reflected on the Processes page. In Sandbox, Microsoft removed the lock option in Start menu as it didn't work. And other fixes. Microsoft fixed an issue where using Open All Active Printers from the printer icon in the system tray would unexpectedly open File Explorer when there were no active queues. Thanks for watching. See you later.